A 2,000-year-old sarcophagus has been found in Egypt, and there's lots of people who are worried about what's inside. So let's have a look at this first, because this is not small. It's actually, so it's 2 meters high, nearly 3 meters long, and weighs an estimated 50,000 kilograms.
What?
So it was found by construction workers. They're digging for a building project. It appears that it's been undisturbed for 2,000 years.
Cool.
And engineers have been brought in to lift the lid up. But, you know, so all indications right now indicate it's a wealthy person inside.
But is it cursed?
This is the thing.
This
So
is the mummy all over.
Right, fans of the mummy out there too. So rumors possible could be Alexander the Great. They have never found. They've never found his tomb. So there are rumors and there's speculation that it could be the tomb of Alexander the Great, who founded Alexandria back in 331 BC. But yes, the curse. Now this is what everyone is worried about. Let's have a look at some of the tweets and some of the reaction here that is coming in to this sarcophagus being found. A lot of people worried, like, don't open it, like, don't do it. I'm pinning all my hopes on the creature in the sarcophagus. A lot of people. Another one here too, coming in. 2012, oh no, Mayan calendar says the world might end and we could all die. 2018, please let the black Egyptian sarcophagus carry a curse that will collectively put us out of our misery.
No thanks.
I was like, okay, maybe a little morose. Another here, no matter how bad the world gets, sometimes I just look up and thank my lucky stars that I was blessed to live on Earth during a time when archaeologists have found and plan to open a massive black sarcophagus virtually guaranteed to destroy us all. And then, look, I realize by saying this that we're on the opposite side. I'm dooming myself to be among the first victims of whatever ancient beast emerges. But I don't buy the idea there's anything in there except an old mummy. Just open it. So
Can't they X-ray it or do an ultrasound or something?
Probably not. If it's 50,000 kilograms, imagine how
massive.
thick everything is.
yeah. Goodness. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. We'll keep you posted on what's going to happen when it actually gets opened up.